Namaste, welcome to Sisrekha's kitchen. Today I am making a simple and delicious curry with Loofa. In my language, Loofa is called Nethi Beerakaya. It's very simple but very delicious recipe. I picked up 2 fresh loofahs from my backyard and I washed them. I am going to peel the skin. Actually, there is no need to peel the skin. The skin is very thin. You can cook it along with the skin. I am going to make the chutney with the peel. That's why I am peeling it. Otherwise, you don't have to peel the skin. Now I am going to cut each loofah into 3 pieces. Give a slit on each piece like I am showing here. Now I am going to stuff these pieces with some masala powder. The one I am using here is my homemade curry powder. You can use any kind of your homemade or store-bought curry powder. If you don't have any masala powders available, you can use coriander cumin powder with some salt and red chilli powder. Stuff them on both sides like I am showing here. I stuffed all of them. Now let us see how to cook them. I have taken 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a skillet which is on medium heat. Now I am going to add these pieces to the oil. When you make this kind of curries, a skillet works better than a flat pan. I have salt in my curry powder. If you don't have salt in your masala powder or curry powder, you can add the salt now. Now cook it covered on low-medium flame. After a while, check the curry and turn them over. If you need to add a little bit of oil, you can add it. Do not add any water. Cover it again and cook them until the pieces are soft. Let us check the curry again. Now you can see the curry is almost done, but a little bit of rawness is there. I am going to turn over the curry and continue cooking. Now look at this beautiful curry. It is cooked completely. This curry is going to be very delicious for rice or chapati. Please try this recipe and give me your feedback. You can see more curries on my playlist. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please visit my Telugu channel also for more recipes. Please don't forget to like my Facebook page.